Since this is a really natural makeup look, you need to do good skincare. So for that, I'm going to use my moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer which works best for your skin. I want my skin to look really dewy, so a moisturizer helps with that. I'm just going to put it all over my face. I'm going to skip foundation today as my skin is really pretty. I'm going to skip foundation today as my skin is doing pretty good these days. You can use a foundation if your skin needs it. I'm just going to use a concealer. I'm just going to put this concealer under my eyes and over here where I need some coverage. I'm using my finger to do this and not a brush because I want it to look really natural, and the warmth of my finger is going to melt the concealer into my skin. If I use a brush, it might show brush lines over there. That's why I'm using a finger, and I'm patting it till it's completely melted into my skin. I'm putting whatever's left on my finger on my eyelids too. Now I'm going to set the concealer with a powder. I'm putting the powder only on the places where I put the concealer since I don't want a matte finish. I want my skin to look really dewy. That's why I'm not putting powder all over my face. I'll be using this pencil to do my eyebrows. I really like this pencil as it does not show harsh lines. It looks really natural. Next, I'm going to put some blush. I'm going to lightly pat on my cheeks. I want a slight hint of pink, not too much. Also going to apply a little blush on my eyelids. Next, I'm going to use a brown pencil and I'm going to apply it below my waterline.
Little.
I'm using a Strobe Cream on my cheekbones. Then I'm applying some powder highlight as well. I'm putting very little of it for a subtle glow. For the lipstick, I'm going to use the shade Mehr from MAC. Now I'm going to spray some Fix Plus on my face. You can use any face mist. This melts your makeup into your skin, so your makeup looks really natural. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.